Hi, I'm going to help you with this activity, moving plates and boundaries. So what I did so far is I went ahead and popped this out and I opened it with Cami because I'm realizing we're going to have to fill in some labels here, and it's easier to do that on Cami than Google Docs. I would not open anything with Google Docs. If you do want to use Google Docs, there's usually a link right here. So we're going to go to the website, Interactive Dynamic Earth, and hopefully you recognize this from a previous activity. But we're going to be going to plates and boundaries. So we already looked at Earth structure, plate tectonics, and now we're going to go to plates and boundaries. So let's go ahead and move there. So these first couple of questions are going to be from this section. You can go ahead and answer the questions. You can go ahead and fill in the missing labels right here. So the answers are right there. Then it goes on and talks about what these boundaries are. So these little borders between the different plates are called boundaries. And so you can answer that question, and then it's going to have you draw a picture of a convergent boundary, divergent boundary, transform boundary. You're going to go ahead and give an example of one and explain what one is. If you don't want to draw, you can always copy and paste a picture of one into these squares. I'm not sure if you can copy and paste into Cami, so I think you need like an upgrade. So you might need to, if you want, you can try drawing with this drawing selection, and you can just keep it real simple. You could just, do this kind of thing, and then show me the arrows, show me how they're moving. So if I'm doing divergent boundary, I could just show that the plates are moving away from each other, and I would go ahead and describe what it is and give an example. Okay, and then it's going to ask what plate we live on, so you'll be able to look and see which plate we live on, and what type of boundary are we close to. So here, if we click on these, you'll be able to see the different kinds of boundaries. So if we live on the North American plate, then you'll be able to see what type of boundary are we near? Are we near a convergent boundary, divergent, or transform? If it's hard to see, we could sort of take them off and see what is closest to us. Okay, and then we're going to go here to the next page. Okay, how to play. So you can go ahead and do this challenge. I think this is practicing where each plate is. And then we're going to look at this section, slip, slide, and collide. That's right here. You're going to go ahead and give 3 examples of phenomena that are created by tectonic plates. And if you scroll down, you can see different things that can happen. So this is going to show what's going on underneath the surface of the Earth. And as you click, you should be able to answer the rest of the questions. So the questions go in order, so you can sort of go little by little and then find them. And then as you get to the end, you can go ahead and click next. Okay, and then this will talk about sea floor spreading and rifts, which are the last 2 questions. All right, so hopefully that's helpful to you. If you have any other questions, please let me know.